Welcome back to Fabio's Fabrics Reviews. I'm Fabio, and today I want to give you an update on the Samsung 4-door flex refrigerator with Family Hub Plus. Now, just like every Samsung refrigerator and most refrigerators out there, the ice maker broke. Mine was the ice bites towards the right. As you can see, it snapped off, and all I had there was the tray hanging from the actual sensor. It broke into 3 different parts. Now, I try to find on YouTube anyone who's replaced this actual ice maker for this kind of refrigerator, and believe it or not, there wasn't. So I decided to put this out there for anyone who has this model refrigerator and the ice tray breaks. Now, this was 1 year into me having my refrigerator, and the warranty ran out. And I'll talk about pricing later. And the ice tray was on back order for over 6 months, and I just got it the other day. Now, as you can see, that is the ice cube and the ice tray that broke off, and they only sell the entire unit completely, which is the actual motor to flip the ice bites, which I'll show you later on. That's the ice case, which is the complete unit that you'll be removing. The ice tray, as you can see, that's the one for ice bites. That's the one that I had to wait 6 months for. And believe it or not, the ice cube is also on back order, and I'll be showing that shortly. Now, the actual removing of this is just the 2 screws that you're going to see there. As soon as you remove those 2 screws, the actual unit will slide down. You just have to remove now the actual 8-pin clip that's connected to the power source of the actual ice case to the refrigerator. Soon as you remove those 8-pin male clip, then you have the actual ice case out completely. Now, the cables are wrapped around the little noose there. All you have to do is remove it, and pretty much it's just sliding out the entire ice tray. That little clip right there is the only thing that's holding it. As soon as you pull it, then you can pull out the wire from the actual holes where the ice tray is connected to the ice case. Now, I wanted to show you how it broke off. That's the old one, and it just snapped off from there. And those 2 pieces from there, and the back of the ice tray that's what it's supposed to look like. Now, I wish they only had the ice tray. Probably would have been like $20 because it's easy just to remove that item. But it's easier to remove because since it snapped, the actual pegs that go into the hole slide out easily. But I didn't want to try with the other one just in case it snapped off. Now, that being said, when you install it, you have to make sure that one part of the ice tray goes into the hole completely, pushing the cables back again into the ice tray case, and that's about it. You're done. Everything in reverse. Slide the case back up, connect the 8-pin male clip, and ensure that it slides inside the actual refrigerator, and reset, most important, reset the actual ice tray by pressing it for 3 seconds, and that's it. You'll hear the beeping sound and it's done. So this is the actual refrigerator manager that you have to make sure that the ice cube and the ice bites are turned on. Within just a couple of 6 to 7 hours, there will be ice coming out of the ice trays, and that's it. And now I want to discuss is pricing. Now, Samsung sells the ice tray for $165 and change. These are the model refrigerators that are equivalent to be used with that ice tray. Now, with shipping and everything, comes out a little close to $190. Now, Shurion is a company that has insurance for home appliances. It costs $34 a month plus $99 service fees plus parts. Now, you can use Shurion without having their membership, but you'll pay $250 for their service fees. Encompass is another company, believe it or not, that Shurion uses and sells genuine parts. Now, the difference is they are local and have stores nearby, so you could probably save on the shipping. Now, as you can see, the ice cubes is still on back order, and it's been over 7 months. Now, let me give you a couple of more feedbacks about the refrigerator. Obviously, when you open up the refrigerator's door, the cold air comes out, especially in the beverage center. When you're utilizing the water pitcher or the water dispenser, the cold air from the main refrigerator comes out. Just note that. Another thing is the water pitcher. It does build mold right there in that area and on the lid. So please make sure you are cleaning that, obviously probably on a weekly basis, and mold does not build up there. Besides that, I hope this video helped you in some sort of way in knowing how to replace the ice tray for this refrigerator. Thank you once again for watching these videos. Please like, subscribe, and if you have any comments, make sure to do so. And thank you very much. Be safe. Bye.